back at it again with these chilies. If you haven't seen our last video, me and Liam had a good time. Whoa! Yeah, don't give the dog one of them. That's not a good idea. She wants a chili. No, me and Liam tried one of these chilies. He pretended to try one. What the fuck does that dog want? He wants a chili. No.
Bye.
He's a well-trained dog. Alright, so when you're ready, you can have a go at trying the bird's eye chili. 100,000 Scoville units right there.
Smells like a pepper.
Eat the whole thing. Throw it into eternity. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. No, don't let the dog get it. Stop it.
Got milk.
Your face. Oh my god. Your face. It's gone so red. Alright. Alright, yeah, let's go and get some milk. I literally just put it. There you go. Drink the milk. See, it wasn't that bad. You handled it better than me. I had to have a whole tub of ice cream before I could even breathe properly.
Oh my god.
Is it nice? Oh, that's a plan. The heat lasts for about 15 minutes before it sort of like painfully goes away.
I know.
Your face.
Back of my
That's not on the camera. That is, his face is red as shit.